Got a little schmutz there.
Oh, the kid sneezed on me.
Morning, everyone. Barbara, look. Zucchini. Washed, grilled, ready to eat.
There's no way all that zucchini came from your garden. I assume.
Assume correctly, you did, Gregory, because I went to the farmer's market, I bought a ton of zucchini, and basically stayed up all night preparing it. Did you guys know you're supposed to dilute cold brew concentrate with water? I didn't. Can't really feel my toes.
So you stayed up all night preparing this?
I did. Devin said they didn't have time to do it, so I did it.
Jacob, I am really impressed. Ooh, you did a real
Go, man, go.
Yes!
What the hell is happening?
There's more in my car.